Can you see the little logo? You're looking good. Why don't you laugh? Why don't you laugh?
Do that imitation again.
Cut me. Cut me, Mick. Oh. Here, do you want to sit up more? There you go. Perfect.
Milos, what's up?
What's up? What's up?
What's up? All right.
Give me that hand. How about the other one? Ah. I'm gonna pull my hair.
What's on your head, buddy?
What's right here?
Are you representing?
Give me that.
Is that your fencing school? Hey, buddy, you're strong.
Did that hurt when you hit yourself? Oh. Do you want to lay back down? Oh.
Say bye.
Lay back down. I feel like that's not what you want to do. Hold on. Let's pull you up if you want to. Come on. I'll sit you up with the little. There you go.
All right, buddy.
Bobby! Hi!
You're cute.
Gonna fall over? Look at him.
Bye.
There you go. Wanna go do something else?
All right, bye-bye.